Hello, this is Matthew with Raptor Weather, and today we will be looking into the latest information for Tropical Storm Elsa as it hits Cuba and approaches Florida. Tropical Storm Elsa is currently located just south of Cuba and about 210 miles from Key West. If we check in on the models, we can see that the GFS ensembles are pretty much in agreement on the path it will take, and we can see a similar path being predicted by the European model. As you can see here with the National Hurricane Center's cone, they believe that the storm will move north just off the Florida coast before making landfall around the Big Bend. In terms of intensity, we can expect the storm to remain a tropical storm as it passes Florida, weaken to a depression after landfall, and then strengthen back to a storm once it returns to the Atlantic. As of 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning, a tropical storm warning has been issued for the entire Florida Gulf Coast from Flamingo to as far north as Swanee River. This means that these areas can expect the possibility of 39 to 74 mile per hour wind within the next 36 hours. A storm surge watch is also in effect from Bonita Beach to the Ochelocee River. A tropical storm watch is in effect for the Florida Keys between Craig Key and Ocean Reef, as well as the Florida Bay, and there is one in effect north of the Swanee River to Indian Pass. The Tampa Bay area can expect to see tropical storm conditions arrive Tuesday morning. In terms of storm surge, the Florida Keys can expect a peak surge of 1 to 2 feet, and the rest of the Gulf Coast south of Bonita Beach should be prepared for a peak storm surge of 1 to 3 feet. The Tampa Bay area and the Gulf Coast between Bonita Beach and Ochelocee River should be prepared for a peak storm surge of 2 to 4 feet, with 1 to 2 feet being possible between the Ochelocee River and Indian Pass. In terms of overall impacts, we can see Cuba is currently being hit with heavy rain, flooding, tropical storm winds, and possibly dangerous storm surge. Florida can expect to begin seeing impacts tonight and into tomorrow, with heavy rain and isolating flooding being expected. The possibility of tropical storm force conditions and dangerous storm surge. Some tropical storm conditions as well as storm surge are possible off the coast of the Carolinas and Georgia, and heavy rain is likely. So as the storm begins to make impact in the United States tonight, make sure to keep an eye on the storm and be mindful of the conditions that may impact your area. This has been Matthew with Raptor Weather.